Welcome to the BestRV channel. Today, we're diving into the world of the Newmar Supreme Aire Super C, one of the most luxurious and high-performance motorhomes available. Whether you're a road traveler or seeking ultimate comfort, the Newmar Supreme Aire promises an exceptional driving experience. Manufactured by Newmar, a brand known for crafting top-tier motorhomes, the Supreme Aire Super C stands out as a powerhouse for those who want to explore the open road without compromising luxury. With over 50 years of experience, Newmar has become synonymous with quality, and the Supreme Aire is a prime example of their commitment to innovation and craftsmanship. This motorhome is built for those who demand a powerful engine, high-end amenities, and premium design. The Supreme Aire is equipped with a robust diesel engine that ensures outstanding towing capabilities and a smooth, reliable ride. Whether you're navigating city streets or heading off-road on mountain paths, the Super C chassis delivers performance that's hard to beat. It's perfect for long-distance travel, combining strength with the comfort of a luxury vehicle. Inside, the Supreme Aire is just as impressive. The spacious living area features premium materials, state-of-the-art appliances, and innovative technologies. The fully equipped kitchen, large dining area, and cozy living space make this motorhome feel like a home away from home. It's ideal for extended road trips or those who want to enjoy the luxury of a 5-star hotel on the move. Designed for up to 4 people, the Newmar Supreme Aire provides ample room to relax, sleep, and entertain. The master bedroom boasts a king-sized bed, while the living room can easily be converted into additional sleeping space. Whether you're traveling as a couple or with a small family, this motorhome offers both comfort and convenience. When it comes to range, the Supreme Aire excels. With efficient fuel consumption and a large fuel tank, you'll be able to cover long distances without the need to constantly refuel. It's perfect for cross-country trips or exploring remote areas. The Supreme Aire ensures you have the freedom to travel far and wide without sacrificing comfort or efficiency. A standout feature of this motorhome is its impressive cargo capacity. With ample storage both inside and out, you can pack everything you need for your journey, including outdoor gear, luggage, and more. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or an extended adventure, the Supreme Aire offers the space and flexibility to bring along all your essentials. Now, let's talk about the price. The Newmar Supreme Aire Super C comes with a premium price tag, typically ranging from $500,000 to over $700,000, depending on the model and customization options. While it's an investment, you're getting unmatched luxury, top-notch performance, and exceptional durability in return. In summary, the Newmar Supreme Aire Super C is the perfect blend of luxury, performance, and practicality. Designed for travelers who want the best of both worlds, this motorhome offers all the comforts of home while on the road. Whether you're planning a short trip or a long-haul adventure, the Supreme Aire guarantees a smooth, comfortable, and memorable journey. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel for more RV reviews, and stay tuned for your next road trip adventure.